In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called iOS Launcher. From Launcher Studio Developer, Launcher iOS 18. When your app is ready, open it, and then to use it, hit Get Started. Now tap on I agree to terms and conditions. Select Continue. Tap on Continue again, and after that choose while using and allow in all available pop-ups. Then hit Consent and manage all of those options however you want to. Then to apply Apple layout, hit Set as Default. Click on iOS Launcher and wait. Then swipe up and tap on OK. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to Launcher app, tapping Set as Default and choosing your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!